Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, we are going to be learning how to log into Viki with your Google account. Logging into Viki using your Google account is super easy. First of all, open your Viki application on your device, or you may also go visit viki.com on a web browser. Right after you are in the welcome screen, tap on the login button at the bottom, and then in the sign in interface, go ahead and choose Continue with Google. Tap the Continue button in the pop-up and then enter your Google account's credentials. You may enter your email or phone number associated with your Google account and tap on the Next button. Also enter your Google account's password on the next page. And after you are signed in, tap on the Continue button. Soon after you do that, you will be able to log into your Viki account with your Google account. Now you can enjoy your favorite shows hassle-free and quickly. If you found this helpful, like, share and subscribe for more tech tutorials. I will be back again with more. Thank you for watching.